Life is based on water, primarily because of water's solvent properties. Understanding this and the other properties that make water so important means understanding water's molecular structure. Any molecule can be represented in several ways, each having particular advantages. Molecular formulas, for example, are compact and indicate the number and identity of atoms in the molecule. Structural formulas show the bonds between atoms. Ball and stick models take up more space than structural formulas, but include information about bond geometry. Space-filling models are not as easy to read as ball and stick models, but they depict the spatial relationships between atoms more accurately. Water is a solvent for many of the molecules in living organisms, primarily because it's a polar molecule. The oxygen atom in the water molecule has a high electronegativity. This means that electrons shared by the hydrogen and oxygen atoms are more attracted to the oxygen than to the hydrogen. This unequal attraction of electrons generates partial electric charges within the water molecule. The oxygen atom has a partial negative charge, and the hydrogen atoms have a partial positive charge. Therefore, a water molecule as a whole has positive and negative ends. The molecule is polar. When two liquid water molecules approach each other, the partially negative oxygen atom of one water molecule is attracted to the partially positive hydrogen atom of the other water molecule. Hydrogen bonds form between water molecules, causing them to stick together. These same hydrogen bonds form between water and other molecules that carry charges. Here's an example of how water acts as an efficient solvent of table salt or sodium chloride. Water molecules surround the sodium and chloride ions of salt. The oxygen atom in each water molecule, with its partial negative charge, bonds to a positively charged sodium ion. The hydrogen atoms of the water molecule, with their partial positive charges, bond to the negatively charged chloride ions. Water's polarity makes it an effective solvent for charged or polar solutes.